Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to reset quick access in Windows 11 if quick access is not showing your recent files correctly. Pinned folders won't update or File Explorer is behaving strangely. Resetting quick access can often fix this problem. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E. Now click on the address bar and type here %AppData %/Microsoft Windows recent automatic destinations. I will put these paths in this one video description so you can copy and paste and use it. After typing this one path, press enter on the keyboard. Now here click anywhere in the folder, press Ctrl plus A to select all the item. After that click on the delete to remove everything. Next again go back to the address bar, type here %AppData %Microsoft Windows recent custom destinations. After that press enter. Put cursor inside the folder, press Ctrl A and delete everything. These files stores your quick access history and pinned items. Deleting them resets quick access to its default state. Now close File Explorer and reopen it. You will notice that your recent files and pinned folders have been cleared and quick access has been reset. If you want, you can pin your favorite folders again by right clicking a folder and selecting pin to quick access. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.